Hello, I am Dr. Sethupathy, Pediatrician. As most of the children are remaining in the home and attending online classes over the year, we are witnessing two important issues. One is obesity and another one is eye strain. I am going to address these two issues in this brief video. Okay, usually we expect every child to gain at least 2 to 3 kg every year between the age of 5 to 12 years. But now most of the children are gaining about 5 to 10 kg and even more in a year. So how to avoid the obesity? Reduce the screen time. First thing is to reduce the screen time. Don't give mobile phones or computers other than during online classes. Encourage regular exercises like walking, jogging, cycling, skipping. That's very important. And advise them more balanced diet. Avoid junk food and snacks during online classes. Give them more fresh fruits and vegetables rather than these junk foods. Next thing is to avoid how to avoid the eye strain. If possible, try to use bigger screens like computers, laptops rather than mobile phones. Next thing is adjust the brightness in the computer, reduce the glare and make the room more darker to avoid the strain to the eyes. Next important point is blink often. Blink often, that will always prevent the eye strain, and take break at least 30 minutes. At least every 30 minutes take a break. Another important thing is 20-20-20 rule. At every 20 minutes, look at distant objects at a distance of 20 feet for at least 20 seconds. That is very important to prevent the eye strain. Next one is you can use some cold compresses like soaked cotton in cold water over the eyes to prevent the eye strain. You can use artificial tears like Lubrex drops, that also will prevent the eye strain. A lot of computer glasses are available in the opticals. You can use it to reduce the eye strain. That's also very helpful. Plenty of fluids like fruit juices, soups, all also prevent the eye strain by hydrating your whole body.